Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another edition of Junkyard Stories. We're here at Bradenton down at the LKQ. Now pick your parts. We're just seeing if we could find anything cool. Pretty new Jeep. Some big old grabbers on it too. Yeah. Some of it's still here. Still got the factory touch. Who tells if it works anymore? The wagon though? Hell yeah. These things are... I'm just a wagon guy. Rough interior, but hey, it's all little stuff. As long as she got good bones, and it doesn't show the mileage. Electronic, of course. Not bad. I ain't gonna lie, one of these cruising around with the boys, the big body. Nice. Luxurious. Didn't think I'd ever see a Tesla in here, but I guess the time comes for everything. Oh, and they cut the motor all the way out of this thing, or the battery. Wow. Just the guts of a Tesla. Look at the moonroof. Pretty sweet. And all the suede material. It's awesome. There ain't nothing left on this. Pretty empty. It's 2 wheels. And that is it. Most plastics are still in here somewhere, but I wouldn't say the condition's going to be perfect. Wild. Now this is a machine, baby. The old Bonneville 3800 with the gold BBSs. Yes, sir. That's nice. Full bench. No, split, but still. Oh, so we needed part of the gas tank. Probably fuel pump. We got the 300C. Looks pretty good. I like the wheels. VCT. Never heard of them. Oh. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Not too bad. Spare. Body looks good though. Now these Magnums are something I like. I think they're pretty sweet. Not a fan of the paint, but I like the Magnum. Nice big body car. Wagon. Oh, and this baby had a system in it for sure. Oh. That's actually like a blue sparkle paint, and it's everywhere. Nice. Real nice. Oh, they definitely should save this thing. This is sick. Look at the racing stripes. Nice. Let's see. Tiny. What are these? 12s? Oh, 15s. Okay. We got a whole 350Z. I've been looking for a pair of seats out of these things. Let's see what we got. Is it locked? Yep. Let's see. Oh, and got the aftermarket body kit on it. At least on the rear. Would you check that out? Good seats. This thing is definitely a keeper. Flowers all over it. Love it. Even the interior. Let's see. Oh yeah. Diamonds, glitter, peace signs, duct tape for the seats, stickers. Solid keeper right here. Oh yeah. Yeah. These are awesome. Big body with the factory BBS wheels. And the mint paint, considering. Not in the worst shape. This is a savable car. Definitely could have been saved. Brand new tires all the way around. 528i. Nice. Not bad. You guys can say whatever you want. This thing is cute. That's the only word you describe something that's a little bit smaller than a golf cart. Let's see if she has any interior left in her. Oh, yeah. There ain't nothing in here. Let's see if I could open this door. Let's see if I got the skills. No, I guess I don't. Wait, is it this other one? Look at this little Fiat. Metal dash, which I think is awesome. And the 500 on there. Sweet little glove box. Little seats. Little round seats. Nice. Shout out to Mercedes. Always making these sweet looking rides. Got a little compressor in it. And let's see what she looks like inside. Okay. Not the best I've seen, not the worst. Looks like it was taken care of. Wood grain. Not too bad. Missing the seats, of course. Little tiny little dash. Little glove box.